about downsizing, but the idea of another mortgage is holding you back? Here's something you should know. More and more homeowners are buying their next home in cash. Yep, no mortgage, no monthly payments, and if you've owned your home for a while, you might be able to do the same. Right now, over 40% of U.S. homeowners own their homes outright. That's a record high. And for many baby boomers, this is unlocking real opportunity. If your home is mostly or fully paid off, you could sell it and use that equity to buy a smaller home in cash. That means lower costs, less stress, and more freedom to enjoy this next chapter. It's not about downgrading, it's about upgrading your quality of life. Less upkeep, more flexibility, and peace of mind knowing you're debt-free. I'm LaDawn Sperling with Coldwell Banker Realty. If you're wondering what your home might be worth or what you could afford without a mortgage, let's talk. It might be more doable than you think.